let's take a look at Jeff and Joanna's completed dream kitchen. The pair are loving their new Kaboodle kitchen, making great use of their updated appliances and extra prep space to cook up a storm. The new layout, complete with a large island bench, makes entertaining for family and friends a dream. Styling is a great way to add some personality to the space. Check out Kaboodle's design blogs for our latest designer tips and trends from around the world. To complete their new kitchen and get the designer look for less, the pair opted to include premium accessories from Kaboodle's range. To inspire others with their dream kitchen makeover, Jeff and Joanna posted it on their socials, tagging Kaboodle Kitchen. For peace of mind, the pair also registered their kitchen with Kaboodle's warranty program via our website. Now that their Kaboodle project journey is complete, Jeff and Joanna are enjoying their dream kitchen.